A proposed bill in Nevada to take away guns from people is getting new life with just days now left in the legislative session.
13 Action News reporter Brian Callahan joins us to explain the concerns over the bill and the last-minute changes.
When AB 291 was first introduced back in March, its key goal was to ban bump stocks like the ones used in 1 October. After a few hearings, it appeared dead when it stalled and missed a key deadline on May 18th. But then just last Monday, lawmakers granted it a waiver, bringing it back to life. And today, lawmakers introduced a change commonly called a red flag law that is controversial with gun rights activists.
It isn't a giant sweep. It's always a little nudge until eventually they erode the right completely away.
Cody Cunningham is referring to the extreme risk order portion of AB 291. It allows family or police to seek court orders to take a person's guns if they are concerned about behavior that could threaten themselves or others. Similar red flag laws are already in place in more than a dozen states. They don't require the threats to reach a level that mandates a person to be hospitalized before removing weapons.
It's an overreach of government power, and it strips due process and other constitutional rights.
The bill's sponsor says it is meant to protect citizens.
Extreme risk protection orders are a powerful tool to prevent gun violence.
Supporters like retired nurse Teresa Crawford say family often spot the signs of trouble long before others.
Most of the time, it's really family members who are very, very concerned that somebody within their family circle is threatening to harm themselves or others.
When it comes to the concerns of gun rights advocates, supporters say similar bills have survived.
It's modeled after successful laws that survive any court challenges in other states.
Another area of concern for opponents was the fact that this change was introduced so late in the legislative session and posted with just 24 hours for anybody in the public to review the language of the bill before this morning's hearing. Brian Callahan, 13 Action News.